So today I'm going to show you how to attach a rear view mirror that's fallen off of a car. This is a metal button style, so this little button fits in here, and when you want to get this rear view off, this is a 2014 Sonata, so basically I had to detach this wiring clip, and this button would be held in by this little screw right here, and it looks like it torques. And what we're going to do is we're going to reattach this to here. Now I'm missing some glass, so I'm going to move it over a little bit so that I have more surface area to attach to. But the main thing here is you're going to want to have a razor blade, and you're going to cut and clean off any of the old glue off of here or here. I've already taken care of most of that, but you just want to make sure that that's taken off. So we're just going to use isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the area, make sure it's clean before we put any adhesive back on here, because we don't want any oils from our hands or anything like that falling into this when we're trying to adhere it. You're going to want to double check where that's positioned. Just make sure you got it the right direction. Try your best not to put your fingers on there. If you do have gloves, you can always wear gloves. So we have this cleaner activator that we're going to use in here, and then we're going to use this adhesive. You need to use the activator. Just going to prep that. Okay, close that up. We're going to need to open this adhesive. I'm just going to take a razor blade and cut it at an angle away from my face. Alright, let's cut. Put that on the button. Alright, now we're going to place that next to the other one. We're just going to hold it there. You're going to want to let this sit for approximately a half hour before you actually come back and attach the weight of the mirror. So it's been about 30 minutes, so this should be done by now. I'm just going to wipe off a little bit of this dirt on the windshield. Now we're just going to take and slide this back over. You can tighten this up, make sure it's snug if it's having it's too loose. So I'm just gonna put that back on like that, and we're gonna put this clip in. It's move that out of the way so you can see a little bit better. Let's see which way. So you can see that there's tracks at the bottom, and then there's the pins at the top. You can see on this one, the track is also at the bottom, so it has to go in this way for this particular model. It's a Hyundai Sonata 2014. But if you have a different rear view mirror, you may not have this, or it might be a different attachment. And then you got your rear view mirror attached again. So you're good to go. It was actually quite easy to do. Just go wipe it off. So now my wife has a rear view mirror. Alright, well thank you. If you enjoy watching this or find it useful, please like it and subscribe, and it just helps out the channel and makes me want to make more of these because they do take a significant amount of time. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.